Yeah, another one. Come on, AJ, reel him in. Nice. Oh. Oh. Oh, fighter. Yep. Yep. Okay. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay. Up, up. Down, 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 down. Up. Up.
Oh yeah.
Flip it like this.
Ooh, sorry.
It's his first time actually. His first time.
You drop your tip down to the floor and then you lift him up.
Yeah.
Easy way. Points on. Another Bonito number 2.
Maybe about 3 kilos. AJ's reeling them in.
Lucky rod.
You're making hook
Yeah.
to come deep.
Settle down, mate. Settle down. Yeah. Yeah, move here, move here. He's gonna swing it. He's gonna swing it here. All right, Tuan, yours. What happened?
Bonito, cut me off. That's right. Big Bonito, cut me off. Come on.
Hey.
Cut me off.
Oh, Alcoco rig well, no one here. Your line went down. Did I catch? Your line. Come on, AJ. AJ. Come on, buddy.
What about you?
Huh? It's okay. I teach men how to fish,
Excellent.
so he can fish a lifetime. Yep. Okay. Just pull him like that. Don't reel. Just pull him. Yep. Okay. Yep. Did you put your drag on?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. All right. That's huge, man. That's huge. Okay. Just let him come over here. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, don't let him go to the rock. Yep, there you go. Yep, yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Number 3, AJ.
Number 3.
Oh, you have to change your thing. See this? It went to the rocks. Yeah.
Number 3 right there. A little slimmer. Still a big one. They fight. They fight good. That's fun.
What time is it?
Don't need no time. You already travel now? Used to?
About yeah, kilo and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we have to change your thing. It's a bit, yeah. See this?
Oi. Another one.
You're beating